This is the Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, and it's time to check, as I have done many times in the last 1 week, whether the One UI update is available for this device now. And here it is. Update your phone One UI version 8.0. Let's see. This is about 2 GB in size. I'm surprised it's not bigger than that. 2.3 GB. That's small. That's interesting. So we're looking at all the changes. Beautiful new wallpapers, yeah. Check stock prices without unlocking, okay. Easier file sharing with quick share, yes. Sticky notes, find downloads fast. Redesigned Samsung internet browser, I hardly use that, but yeah. Scientific calculator in portrait view, enhanced split screen view, new reminder interface, new sample reminders, add reminders easily, manage reminders in calendar, add events quickly, running coach in Samsung Health, bedtime guidance, running challenges, check your antioxidant intake, food recording reminders, track your vascular load, and then for photos and video, swipe up or down to open quick controls, okay. Audio enhancements, quick access to Galaxy board settings, communication, see calls on the screen, improve profile cards, review recorded calls and contacts, enhance secure folder, stronger account security, show or hide notification content locked while locked, pinch and zoom with your assistant menu, control mouse actions with your keyboard, magnify your keyboard, easily pair Bluetooth hearing aids, new preset routines, new routine actions, easily organize alarms, enhanced app notification settings, okay. You can now choose the pop-up notification style for each app separately. Okay, that's interesting. Pop-ups have always been messy for me, always intruding. Okay, let's go on. Revamped weather visuals. So those are all the changes that Samsung's One UI 8.0 is bringing to the Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. I'll be running the update, and as soon as I have it downloaded and installed on the phone, I will run a quick hands-on to show you what it is like. Don't go away.